Maji mai a hismóí agus fastí an seachtain shot ma jogabre cabbage on the Keen sort Aimsire atá on. We're working on chapter 9 here. What sort of weather is it? Bunny ha an chiama a reached in Aimsire based on the theme of weather. Agus fecum and poster digitac and shot. We see the digital poster. Agus our vuckla nu a chimple and poster our new words around the poster. Agus our dath na seachtainna, our colour of the week is ban, white. Agus chiam na fuckla ella. I see the other words now for hot, che, cold, fuer, wet, fluch, windy, giefer. The sun is shining, ta an green ag tatniv, or we also say in Donegal ta an green ag solstice spare. The sun is shining in the sky. Agus fecum ta she ag curbashti, it's raining. Ta she kurshnakta, it's snowing. Agus ta ugla an cat. Ta cuma burha mar ta she inta giefer. He looks worried there because it's very windy ta she inta giefer. Agus fecum Elfie an lína édig mai. I see Elfie there on the little clothesline as well. Ta Sean ag an tra is la bra ta an green ag solstice sa spare, ta an green ag tatniv sa spare, ta cúpla scammel sa spare, agus ta she che. Sean is on the beach. It's a lovely day. The sun is shining high in the sky. There are some clouds in the sky and it is hot. Fecum sa poster shaw ta is la fluche, it's a wet day. Ta Shifra and we ag lapadail sna lochanishka. She's out paddling in those puddles. Agus ag janu stampailer hu, stamping in them. Agus ta kotabashti he agus ta scapar farinya suseki. She's got on her raincoat and she's up her umbrella. Agus ta she ain't the fluch, it's very wet. Agus and shin fecum goil taffy and we sa chrá madu. He's out in his kennel, chrá madu. Agus is la fuer it's a cold day. Agus ta she a kurshnakta, it is snowing. Agus ta she fuer, he is cold. Agus fecum and cat walked Lola, agus Elfie. Is la giefer it's a windy day. Ta angi egg sheju, the wind is blowing. Agus ta nahedi ag sheju an lina. Agus ta she dig tromu an lina gomai. They are blowing on the line, the clothes are blowing on the line, and they're also ag tromu, they're drying on the line. Agus ta ugla an cat, the cuma uglach he looks a little bit afraid. So is Joan Najanish lesh our Oren Agus Dan the Shachtana. We'll listen now to her poem and song of the week. Our song is Keen Sort Aimsire Atá on the New. So Keen Sort Aimsire Atá on the New. What sort of weather is it today? Ta she che in you. It is hot today. Fecma and a new tangri and ectatniv spare. Look out the window. The sun is shining in the sky. And then the next line is going to say tangri and ectatniv spare. And the sun is shining in the sky. And then we repeat it, the same question again in the song. And then it's a different type of day. So Keen Sort Aimsire Town and you, what sort of day is it outside today? It is wet today. Fechama and a nyog. Fechama and a nyog ta she kurbashti. Look out the window, it is raining. So cén sort amsir tá on aniu, tá sé gífar aniu. What sort of weather is it today? It is windy today. Éistemish, we will listen, we will listen. Tash and gi ag séju, ta and gi ag séju. The wind is blowing, the wind is blowing. So cén sort amsir tá on aniu. What sort of weather is it today? It is cold today. Look out the window. It is snowing. It is snowing. Now, Rahamad Shear Guji Ardan the Shaktana, back to our poem of the week. Hampshire weather. Fecharum am wifwin air. Look at me outside. Look at the green. Fecher and rain. Ik tatnif spare. Look at the sun shining in the sky. Fecharum istisati. Look at me inside in the house. Anish tashi kurbashti. Now it is raining. So Shaw Don Shakta Fashti, the Sulagam Gomanish Sultas, August go freed the Uklanua go round your new words. Guramaigov.